Here's Structured Daily Planner app, and let's just explore how to use it. By the way, they are releasing some major update where they will have some daily assistant with the power of AI. So yeah, just open it up. So here, of course, as the name suggests, in the app, you will be you're just able to structure your day better. So for example, I just want to add like answer emails. It takes me like 45 minutes. I can add like different color. Let's say how often. I can say, okay, weekly. Okay, to do that, I need to upgrade to Pro. If you want to get even more structured and then just add recurring tasks, you need to upgrade. And that's only $3 per month. And then you get all these premium icons and additional features and AI-powered assistant. So yeah, if you want to create these recurring tasks. So then, yeah, for example, I can just create a task. And yeah, then I copy task and then, for example, I can complete it, and that's basically the idea. And then I can jump to specific day, and I can see on inbox. Inbox is a place to down everything you need to do. So inbox task, you know. And then I just added like a to-do list. Oops, not. But like I don't know when I need to do it or all of the details. But yeah, just I just added kind of in my notes. And then yeah, you just have this view, and it's just a better view of your day here. Like instead of having these kind of like calendar views, which are kind of super annoying sometimes, and you just can't figure out what's your plan and how it works. Here it just provides a better user interface and what's the idea of it. So yeah, then you can see the appearance. You can change the appearance. You can change the layout, fonts, app icons, retro icons, like all of these things. Then you can just do some advanced. You can also reset the app. You can do backup, change when your week starts, calendars. If you want to integrate your calendar, then that I guess is a powerful feature. Then you need to upgrade to Pro. And then reminders also Pro. So with this app, you kind of can replace your default calendar app, default reminder app, and even for work, like you can just import your work calendar and then just have just a much clearer view of your day. Like here is my first task, then I do this, then I do that. It's a kind of like better structure in this app just because it provides better view of the tasks. And then yeah, then there is some structure assistant. This like AI assistant you can use in the app. Yeah, this is a new feature. Again, it's only available in the Pro. And then one sec, you can also use this one sec app to block your social media apps during your incomplete tasks. So you can yeah, also do that as well. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. Try out this app. I'm not sure if it's available on Android. For sure it's available on iOS, but there you have it.